Good morning, lovey-dovey.
Good morning, my handsome friend.
How are we feeling? Did we have a good sleep?
So good.
Don't worry, you'll get used to it. Good morning, Snore Solution. Stop snoring, start living.